This case is about a divorced couple trying to get back together, but the mom wants the dad to pay child support, even though they live in the same house with their kids.
All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVale, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy's my husband, and we're divorced, but we're live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
But-
well, that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What you
7.
mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a
You
moment.
see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it
Well,
out,
I'm
right?
working. I'm driving the truck. I don't drive it every day, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you
an
I'm working
interesting
though.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And you
I
guys
wasn't
live.
working.
You guys live together right now.
Well, see,
temporary,
well, the
y'all.
reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. Child care is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided
So
he
let me ask
wanted
the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids.
Yes. And he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this would be a good arrangement.
Only
And he
reason I
would.
did that
he
'cause
would.
you
Hold on,
trying
one
to-
second,
Let me
sir.
finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse me.
Don't talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him. Sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
I
Yes,
understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands, a different
opportunity to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well, that's
really
not a bad.
The couple lives together again, but they argue a lot. Mom wants child support because dad isn't working full-time, but they share childcare and household duties.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that, but you know,
I'm
that
trying
has
to save
nothing
money
to do with me.
for childcare.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you
so
mean you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working 2
time
days
you
a
have an
week.
Yes,
outburst,
sir.
and that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case, and you guys can go and work this out
Your Honor,
somehow.
I'm trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not. I already told you both. We're not gonna have these disruptions.
Let me tell you what's really happening here. She's mad because I went to Cabo 2 weeks ago, and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, go ahead, go. So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party
Oh,
and stuff.
wow.
You know, I
Okay.
work hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound like a good man.
Your Honor, can we stop
I need
this?
a break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, she cried, talking about what's going on. I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. She said, go on down there, enjoy yourself. So that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay, well, good.
But
Well,
she
good.
think I was cheating on her down there.
Okay.
Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys
I'm
are already
taking care of
divorced.
the kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of the kids.
Well, you
know.
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be placed on child support, correct?
Correct.
Okay. No, that's not happening. There is no
So,
way.
well-
There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home
That's
as
right.
him. That's
That's
So
that
I just
cannot
need to
happen.
kick him out again then.
Well, you
Dad explains why he came back. To help with the kids. The judge makes clear you cannot get child support for kids living in the same home. The court wants real reasons, not just disagreements.
know that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll
That-
get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I
reside
told you.
under this.
You didn't tell
Excuse
me
me.
nothing.
I
You
tried
know
to
what?
tell you that.
Man.
You know what? I'm going to go
tried
ahead
to
and
tell
tell
you.
you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no
Sorry,
to you.
Lord.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay,
Now
yes,
I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my
so-
plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay. Well,
plan.
here's the plan for this for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what I said?
Yes.
What is that?
Is it still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay,
I can
I'll go
legally-
ahead. I see you
I
came
won't
here.
get in
Excuse
trouble.
me. I see you came here to waste my time.
Yeah,
So
I
I'll
just-
move
I
along.
just need
Sir,
some
do
more
you have
money.
any other questions?
Your Honor,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said
I
about
ain't
my
got,
ruling?
no, I ain't got no question what you said. 'cause
Okay, the
she-
plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you are dismissed.
The judge dismisses the request and warns that kicking someone out without legal steps is not allowed. This is a strong reminder that family problems need legal processes, not personal actions. The judge dismissed the mom's request for child support since the dad lives in the same home with the kids, explaining Texas law clearly.